If you, like me, are finding yourself a bit overwhelmed with anxiety and nerves, then there are some useful techniques of dealing with them. And I'd like to share one with you now that I find quite useful. It's called the 3 minute mindfulness, and there are 3 minutes to it. In the first minute, I'll invite you to join with me in noticing what you're thinking, then what you're feeling, and finally, how your body is. And in the second minute, I'll get you to focus on your breath, and we'll use our nostrils because there's lots of nerve endings there, easy to focus on. And then in the third minute, we'll imagine that the breath could fill more and more of us. It's quite a calming technique, and I use this throughout the day when I find I'm getting a bit too anxious. So if you want to, rest your eyes with me now. And we'll start in our first minute simply by noticing what's going on in our head right now. No need to judge, just notice your thoughts. That's great. Now step down into your emotions. Notice how you feel right now. Again, no need to judge. That's great. Now step down into your body. Notice what's your body saying to you right now. Give it a quick scan. That's wonderful. That's our first minute. Now we'll move into the second minute of the meditation and simply focus on the breath as it leaves your nostrils and as it enters. You might notice in particular the temperature change. Just notice the breath. When your mind wanders, just bring it back to the breath in the nostrils. Just the breath. Just the breath. That's great. And as we move into our third minute now, I'm going to invite you to imagine that the air you breathe in could fill more and more of your body. If you want, you could add colour or a word or a memory to the air that you're breathing in. So first of all, imagine you could breathe into your chest, which you can. And imagine the next breath could go down into your tummy as well. And the next breath down into your bottom. And imagine the breath could go into your upper legs. And then your lower legs. Then imagine you could breathe right down into your feet and your toes. Now we'll let the breath go up. Imagine it could go up into the shoulders. And then into the upper arms. And then the lower arms and right down into the hands. And finally we'll let the breath up into the head as well. And so now just imagine the whole body breathing. And we'll finish with a deep breath. So that's the 3 minute mindfulness. You can use it whenever you need.